Somebody is vacation ready. So we got a package from Nadula Hair. Today's video is being sponsored by Nadula Hair. If you guys are interested in checking out this unit or just checking out this company, I'm sure you heard about it all over the YouTube streets. I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box. So let's see what we got. So when you open your package, this is how it will be packaged. And my wig came with 2 wig caps, a really pretty headband, and my wig. Now this wig is similar to a unit that I reviewed last week, but this one is a body wave texture. And I'm so excited to try this unit. Ooh. Oh my God. Hold up. I wasn't expecting this. Oh my gosh. This is the type of texture that is like, oh my gosh, I wish I could just apply it right now. But I'm going to wash it. So we'll see how it looks once it's been washed. They did have it come in a defined middle part, but you can part it anywhere in this section. So it's a full frontal unit, and it does come with lace to cut in the back. You have a comb in the back, adjustable straps of course, and then you have 2 combs in the front. Sorry for this crazy angle, but I'm at my vanity and I'm in a hurry. So I'm gonna grab my Even New York lace tinted spray in the color dark brown, and I'm gonna just spray the lace, and I'm gonna focus it on the hairline. Yeah, I gotta stop pushing time. I be playing too much. And I just like to use this to just lock in the tint. I literally have had this wig on all day. I put it on at first and ran some errands, came home, did my makeup, then had to go run errands again. So this is how the wig is looking in its natural state. This is a body wave texture, as you guys seen in the unboxing portion, but once you wash this wig, it doesn't have it has a little bit of a wave to it. Keep in mind, I did run my hot comb through it to flatten out the top of this wig. But to me, this wig just has texture. If you guys stay tuned to my channel, then you've seen the wig that I reviewed last week. And it was a similar color to this, but the texture was like way more silkier. I really love that wig. But this wig I love for different reasons. I can't remember how many inches this is, so I'll insert it on the screen, but I want to show you guys how long this wig is falling on me. It looks like 24 inches on me, but I'm not for certain. Y'all know I'm a little itty bitty little thing. So I have had this wig on for like 10 hours today, as I told you guys previously. So I got my full opinion about this hair, and I'm ready to run it down to you, starting with the info on the hair, right? So this wig is from Nadula Hair. This is their 13x4 lace wig. It's in the style Honey Blonde Body Wave, and it is 24 inches. I knew it had to be because she's long, and she's so beautiful. You see these curls? They have been in my head for like almost 2 hours now, and they're just still so fluffy. I've been running my fingers through my hair, taking pictures. I stopped and I ate, and just as I suspected, the curls are holding up so well. Now, throughout the day, I did get a strand of shedding here and there. I didn't get absolutely any tangling, which is amazing for this length. One thing I wanted to know is the cap construction. I don't know. Let me see if it says what size cap construction I got. It doesn't say. And usually I ask for a medium cap construction, but I'm not for certain what cap construction this is. But I definitely would suggest that you go up to a large if you have any size head, honestly. Because I don't know if you can see, but the lace is coming like right above my ear on both sides. So, and like I always say, my head is on the smaller side. Just to be safe, ask for a large cap. I wanted to mention the hairline. Baby, I didn't do any tweezing or anything to the hairline. I thought I might have to. Initially, I was like, ooh, okay, they did a really good job. But when I went to cut the lace off, I was kind of skeptical. But once I melted the wig down, it just looked flawless. So if you are a beginner to frontal wigs, I definitely suggest this unit to you because you won't have to do any customization to it unless you want to. Right now, Nadula Hair is having a promotion. It is their, I believe, their 4-year anniversary. So this is the perfect time to invest. If you got that stimulus check, if you got that income tax check, and you want to spend on an affordable luxury unit, then this is the perfect time. I will leave all the details in my description box to this wig, as well as a direct link to this exact wig, because baby, as you can see, she's giving everything she needs to give. Love, love, love this wig. I don't know which wig I like better between the two, between the one from last week and this one. The thing that I can say about this one is it was literally like super duper easy to adhere this wig down, and I didn't have to go in and tweeze it for a half an hour. So you can compare both wigs, or if you're in the market to purchase a unit this color, this is so perfect for this time of year. I almost want to take this wig on vacation. I'm gonna be extra. I'm taking 2 or 3 wigs with me. I'm gonna be real extra, okay? I might change my wig up like twice in one day. I don't know, okay? But I'm definitely considering taking this wig with me because it looks so cute with my little hat. So let me know down below what you think about this wig. Should I take her on vacation with me? If I had to give this wig a name, I don't know. I'm feeling like a Britney or something in this wig. Like, yes. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. If you have made it this far, I would love to have you a part of the fam because you my cousin and I'm your cousin. So let's be cousins, okay? So if you want, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Y'all, I'm getting real thick on them. It's like, it's getting a little bit ridiculous right now. So after I come back from my trip, I'm gonna have to be on my ish. Oh, but look at the highlights though. Like, they did that. Nadula, y'all did that.